welcome to another episode of Between Two Bikes. This time I'm at the Buell Italian Race Day in June of 2019. I had an absolute blast. So the guys from the Devil Stars Buell Club, check them out on Instagram, invited me to come to the Buell Race Day, and I literally planned my entire family's vacation around going to this day. And we were bouncing between France, Spain, and Italy. So we had just finished up in a place called Cinque Terre, and we were on our way to Venice. And I was like, well, there's a Ferrari factory, and also there's this Buell thing happening. If we could just pop by there. It was pretty far out of the way, not direct route at all. We're sort of headed towards a place called Brescia. It's kind of closer to Milan than Venice, really. At a place which I'm going to definitely butcher, but it's called Autodroma di Franciacorta, something like that. And that's where it all went down. So here's some clips. My biggest regret from the day was not taking more video, but this is what I have, and you guys probably don't have a lot of time, so it's probably going to work out just fine. The first two are not. Okay. Yeah. So guys, you do not want to fall asleep at one of these Buell Italian race days. It was so funny what happened. Here's a few sequence of shots and then the video when the bike guy starts the bike up. Check this out.
bike.
So guys, thanks so much for watching, and most importantly, thank you so much to the Buellers of Italy who had me there for the day. I had such a good time. Most people didn't speak English, but the guys that I got to meet, including Darkhold Mechanical, were super awesome. It was also really rad to see how many people rode to the event and then tracked their bikes.
This is Herman just making his 1125 CR back to street legal.
So thanks everyone for taking the time to watch my video. I am Buell is my big Instagram account. I also have another Instagram account called Between Two Bikes that I'd love to share with you. As you can see, I'm wearing merch from my Buell brand, if you will. I make a couple bucks on the shirts and hats, and it just helps to fund what I'm doing here. So if you have a Buell event coming up and that you would like, well, not even that you'd like, if you want to see me in attendance or if I can come and attend, I'd love to do that. Yeah, let me know. Hit me up, email me, Instagram me, whatever. I respond to everyone. So go ahead. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching again.